Julio here from Romanoff International, giving you a quick how-to video on how to clean the Encoder strip on your Flashforge machine. I have a paper towel here with a small amount of IPA on it, and I'm going to go through and clean the Encoder strip. I have the 510 machine here with the left panel off and the right panel off. This is really important so you get to both sides of the Encoder strip. And then I'm going to start down the middle, make full contact with it, and run all the way down as far as I can. And then I'll go back to the left side. And now I'm cleaning on the left side of the machine. I'm making contact with the Encoder strip again and running all the way down the span of it. Make sure it gets one good wipe. That's it. It's important that this maintenance be done once a week on your machine.